Hello everyone, this is me, Bhubvan Tripura. Hope you're bright and shiny. I'm also doing great. So today, I'm going to tell you some collocations. So without further ado, let's kick off. Number 1, we have strong tea. We say strong tea. We do not say powerful tea. Second, we say strong coffee. We do not say powerful coffee. Number 3, we have tall tree. We say tall tree. We do not say high tree. Number 4, we have sweet dreams. We say sweet dreams. We do not say nice dreams. Number 5, we have big fun. We say big fun. We do not say large fun. So that's all for today's presentation. Next time I'll come up with another presentation like this. Till then, bye-bye and stay safe.